This is my little belt sander I have. It's not much. It's a Durex Industrial 4x6 belt and disc sander. Model 47, 120 volt motor, 3,450 RPMs. It was made in 1992 and imported by Royal Tools, Montreal. Probably doesn't exist anymore, but I don't know what country it's made in, but it doesn't say where. I bought it probably in 1992. So, but I think I think I was in university at the time. I was making stuff for Powwow, and well, still have it. I think at the time I paid about $200 for it. It's come in really handy use. It's, I think they still make them the same. So stay tuned. I'm gonna sand this down. Maybe for safety reasons, I'll clamp it to the bench. Just maybe. Just maybe. Because, sometimes we like to pretend we're being safe. Just don't want it to fall on the floor. Give it at least one clamp so it don't roll off. Just so it don't get all clampy on me. Let's see. That damn thing. There we go. At least so it doesn't come off. It actually had a lot of use back in the day when I was using it. Shit, this is gonna be interesting. This over there. Maybe if I do it the other way. Maybe the other way would be good. Maybe this thing's so shitty it's not even grinding. Maybe if I go like this. How's that work? Actually works pretty good. Thinking maybe I should put it on the floor. Maybe it will work on the floor. How's that look? Oh yeah. Got a little bump out of there and a little bump out of there. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see this. Use a little more. little rounder, needs a little better sanding job. Wait, what the hell? You still recording? I think so.